Dear learners, today we are going to deal about web promotion. Introduction. Obviously, we have long since passed the day when a company wanting to sell online had to worry about the technicalities of website creation and transaction security. E-commerce platforms have that covered. The real battleground is generating awareness, capturing leads, inspiring purchases and stealing the hearts of customers. In this module, we are going to look into promotion strategies that drive additional traffic to a site, help acquire new customers and increase revenue. These promotions can also be used to encourage new visitors to become loyal, repeat customers. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, the learner will have information about success factors of e-commerce, various promotion strategies used in e-commerce. Now, let us see about e-commerce marketing practices. E-commerce makes use of websites to transact or enable the sale of products and services online. In recent years, online retail sales have gone off the charts and it is easy to know why. Online retailers can offer personalized experiences for different types of consumers. By saving cost of staff, inventory, floor space, etc., online retailers can sell low volume products profitably to niche markets. There are three aspects of a transaction that online retailers use to compete: customer interaction with the website, delivery, ability to address problems when they occur. Pure click companies, those that have launched a website without any previous existence as a firm, and brick and click companies, existing companies that have added an online site for information or e-commerce, can be distinguished as follows. Pure click companies. There are several types of pure click companies: content sites, commerce sites, internet service providers, search engines, transaction sites and enabler sites come under this category. Commerce sites sell all kinds of products and services like insurance, books, clothes, financial services and so on. Such companies use various strategies to compete in the market. Hotels.com is a website for booking hotel rooms online and by telephone. It is the information leader in hotel reservations. Rakuten.com, previously known as Buy.com, leads on price and focuses on providing its customers with a rewarded shopping experience. Wine Spectator is a single category lifestyle magazine that focuses on wine and wine culture and gives ratings. Brick and click companies. Initially, many brick and mortar companies may have debated whether to add an online e-commerce channel for fear of conflict with their offline retailers, agents or their own stores. But eventually, most companies started using the internet as a distribution channel after seeing how much business was generated online. Even companies like Procter & Gamble, which used traditional physical channels of distribution exclusively for years, is selling some big brands online in order to examine consumer shopping habits more closely. Managing the online and offline channels has thus become a main concern for many firms. Adding an e-commerce channel creates the possibility of a backlash from intermediaries like retailers, brokers and agents. Hence, companies should figure out ways to sell through both intermediaries and online. There are at least 3 strategies for trying to gain acceptance from intermediaries. Offer different brands or products on the internet. Offer online partners higher commissions to lessen the negative impact on sales. Take orders on the website but have retailers deliver and collect payment. Harley Davidson decided to take careful measures before going online. Harley sells more than $860 million worth of parts and accessories to the loyal followers. Hence, it decided to move on to the obvious next step, that is the online venture, to generate more revenue. However, to avoid the wrath of thousands of dealers who benefited from the high margins on those sales, Harley had to be very careful. Its solution was to send customers seeking to buy accessories online to the company's website before they can buy anything. They are prompted to select a participating Harley Davidson dealer. When the customer places the order, it is transmitted to the selected dealer for fulfillment, ensuring that the dealer still remains the focal point of the customer experience. Dealers in turn agree to a number of standards such as checking for orders twice a day and shipping promptly. The website now gets more than 1 billion visitors a month. Many brick and click retailers are trying to give their customers more control over their shopping experiences by bringing web technologies into the store. Now, let us see about the e-commerce success factors. Companies must set up and operate their e-commerce websites carefully. Customer service is critical in e-commerce. Online shoppers may select an item for purchase but fail to complete the transaction. The conversion rate of internet shoppers is only about 35%. Only 2% to 3% of visits to online retailers lead to sales, compared with 5% of visits to departmental stores. To increase conversion rates, firms should make their website simple, fast and easy to use. Even something as simple as the option to zoom in or out images on screen can increase the chances of sales and the amount customers buy. Customer surveys suggest that the most important factors that deter online shopping are social interaction, rewarding experiences and personal consultation with the representative of the company. Many firms have live online chat facilities to offer immediate products advice and suggestions to potential customers, thereby building their interest in purchasing additional products and increasing sales. The average amount per order is typically higher when a representative is involved in a sale. To increase customer satisfaction and the information and entertainment value of web-based shopping experiences, some companies are using graphical representations of virtual animated characters that act as their representatives, such as avatars, personal shopping assistants, website guides or conversation partners. Avatars can improve the effectiveness of a web-based sales channel, especially if they are creative and attractive. Even if a firm represents an already high credibility offline, customers must find its website trustworthy. Hence, ensuring security and privacy online is very important. Customers sensitive to online risk can be reassured by investing in website design and processes. Online retailers are also trying out technologies such as mobile marketing, social networks and blogs to attract new customers. E-commerce promotion strategies. Internet advertising. Internet or online advertising is a form of promotion that uses the internet and World Wide Web for the purpose of delivering marketing messages to attract customers. It is a way for retailers to advertise their products and services online. Ads can target people with particular hobbies or interests, or they can even focus on customers in a specific country or state. The main benefit of online advertising is the immediate publishing of information and content that is not limited by geography or time. Another benefit is the efficiency of advertisers' investment. Online advertising allows for the customization of advertisements, including content and posted websites. Internet advertising models. There are three main types of advertising models. The first one is the CPC or PPC, which is known as cost or pay per click. Pay per click advertisements or audience targeted ads typically shown in search listings and on social media websites. Here the advertiser has to pay every time someone clicks on the advertisement. If someone clicks on the ad, they get directed to the advertiser's website. Once it is set up correctly and a return on investment is generated, ad spend can be ramped up to increase the revenue. Example, ad shown next to search results at google.com. The next one is the CPM, that is the cost per 1000 impressions. CPM is the cost the advertiser has to pay the publisher for every 1000 views or clicks of an ad. CPM is typically used for banner ads. Example, ads at the top or the home page of popular websites like New York Times. The third one is the CPA, that is the cost per acquisition or action. CPA is an advertising pricing model where the advertiser pays every time the user completes an action or a specified acquisition, for example, a sale or form submit. The publisher displays an advertisement requesting the users to fill out some information, and this information is sold to other parties as a lead. Example, Amazon uses its affiliate program for rare sale items. The click-through rate, CTR, is the percentage of ad impressions that lead to users clicking on the ad. For example, if an ad is viewed 100 times and it's clicked on 4 times, the CTR is equal to 0.04. Let us say that out of every 107 impressions, that is the CPM, there are 105 clicks, CPC, which result in 103 auctions, that is the CPA. Paying $100 per action is the same as paying $1 per click and $10 per 1000 impressions. Therefore, it is possible to tune each model to produce the same expected return. The next is the content marketing. Content marketing is the process of creating blog articles, videos, photos, infographics or any other form of content that appeals to the target audience with the aim of attracting visitors to a website. For example, to sell a handbag, a blog post titled "The Perfect Outfit for the office party that lists a dress, jacket, shoes and most importantly one of the handbags to be sold can be put up. Including good photos of the products mentioned and adding links to the product page can help interested readers buy the handbag. So, how does this attract traffic? A fashion conscious woman is looking for inspiration on what to wear to an office party. She turns to Google or any other search engine and searches for office party outfit, and this article pops up in the search results. She clicks on the article and likes what she sees. So, she clicks through to the handbag product page and then starts browsing the website. A content strategy. Having a strategy for the content is crucial. The most important aspect of the strategy is to understand the target audience. What are their interests? How old are they? What content will be useful to them? The next step after identifying the target is to plan the post. The structure of the content must also be thought about. Types of posts that will work well are list, quick reads that can be packed with products. Example, 10 great bags to go with that cocktail party dress. Informative post, articles with tips or advice. Example, what to wear for that all important job interview. The next is a topical or relevant. Making the post topical is a great way to get people reading it. Example, the best and worst handbags at the Oscars. Entertaining post, difficult to accomplish but very likely to be shared on social media if they hit the mark. Example, 5 hilarious things found in women's handbags. Once the strategy is sorted and content is produced regularly, the next thing to do is measure how well it is working. Each month an analysis should be done on what articles generated the most traffic and which of those led to the most sales. The main cost to content marketing is that it takes a lot of time. To build an effective library of content, a lot of effort must be put into both strategy and production. The next is the email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools in online marketing. Using it effectively can help improve sales. Building a mailing list is the first step in email promotion. One of the best ways to get a website visitor's email address is by using a sign up form that offers something in exchange for the visitor's email address. Example, sign up and get 10% off on your next order. Customers should also be offered the chance to join the mailing list as part of the checkout process. Just like content marketing strategy, it's important to have a plan for email marketing. In fact, it should be an extension of your content strategy. A list of ideas should be created and updates frequently. Promote new or upcoming products. Offer discounts or promote sales. Send out relevant articles from blog. Mix up product and non-product content. The next one is the social media marketing. Social media sites are huge assets in establishing a company's online presence because the potential is limitless. There are billions of people using sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. and business can be boosted to a great extent by using these sites. If done right, social media can have a big impact on sales figures. The aim is to get the customers to be the brand advocates. The first step in social media promotion would be to figure out which platforms to use. Typically, Facebook is used since it has more than 2 billion users, and the visual ones like Instagram and Pinterest work best for online fashion industries. A social media campaign can show dramatic results in a short amount of time. Social media marketing is also popular because it doesn't have to cost anything, although having a budget can make things much easier. Focusing on one platform is useful, particularly when the amount of time is limited. Like the mailing list, social media strategy is closely tied to the content marketing strategy. Publishing interesting content attracts target audience, and adding links to the content can refer them back to the website. Many different strategies can be used for social media marketing. So, after doing it for a while, the most effective one for a particular site can be identified. Followers on social media prefer interesting, creative or funny content and not just a constant stream of promotional messages only. They want to be informed and entertained rather than just sold to. Hence, it is advisable to split posts on social media so that only a small percentage of it is promotional. The rest can be any interesting content that appeals to the audience. Followers won't appreciate a constant stream of promotional messages only. They want to be informed and entertained rather than just sold to. It is also important to get involved in conversations with the followers. A good way to do this is to see what's trending and comment on it, particularly if it's something that the target audience might be interested in. It will sometimes seem off topic to talk about current events, but it all helps gives the brand personality. A great way to engage people is to give something away, typically in exchange for them posting, sharing or liking something. This might be simply sending a personal message when they buy something, or an exclusive discount code or a competition. For example, getting people to post photos of them using or wearing the products they bought and tagging the brand company in their post can create a viral effect. The great thing about that is that their network of followers will all see these posts and it spreads the image or message of the brand. This is also known as UGC, that is the user generated content, and it introduces variety in a stream without having to invest time in creating it. Outsourcing social media marketing to an external agency can cost $2,500 to $3,000 per month. The next is the mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is a multi-channel digital marketing strategy aimed at reaching a target audience on their smartphones, tablets and or other mobile devices via websites, email, SMS and MMS, social media and apps. Mobile was considered the future of marketing, but the era of mobile has already arrived. Mobile devices are disrupting the way people engage with brands. Everything that can be done on a desktop computer is now available on a device that can be carried around and accessed anywhere. From opening an SMS to visiting a website to read its content, it's all accessible through a small mobile screen. Mobile marketing can be very effective considering 80% of internet users own a smartphone. Mobile platforms such as smartphones and tablets host up to 60% of digital media time. Search queries on mobile devices to have surpassed desktop searches. Effective mobile advertising means understanding your mobile audience, designing content with mobile platforms in mind, and making strategic use of SMS or MMS marketing and mobile apps. Now let's see the types of mobile marketing strategies. Wide varieties of mobile marketing strategies are available, and the kind that works best for a particular business can be used. This depends on the industry, target audience and budget. SMS. SMS marketing involves getting a user's phone number from third parties and sending them offers via text messages. Though some companies use this strategy, it is considered somewhat outdated. App-based marketing. This is mobile advertising involving mobile apps. Since 80% of mobile time is spent engaged with apps, this is a very useful strategy. Advertising can be done on the company's mobile app if available, or ads can be published on third-party mobile apps. In-game mobile marketing. In-game mobile marketing refers to ads that appear in mobile games. Such ads can appear as banner pop-ups, full page image ads, or even video ads that appear between loading screens. QR codes. QR codes are scanned by users who are then taken to a specific web page that the QR code is attached to. QR codes are often aligned with mobile gamification and have an element of mystery to them, since users who scan them don't always know exactly which rabbit hole they are jumping down. The next one is the location based marketing. Location based mobile ads are those that appear on mobile devices based upon a user's location relative to a specific area or business. This type of promotion can be used when advertisers only want their mobile ads to appear when users are within a specific area of their business. Mobile search ads. These are basic Google search ads built for mobile, often featuring extra add-on extensions like click to call or maps. Now let's summarize what we have seen in this module. Conclusion: combining expertise with understanding of the business is the best way to fill in the gaps. Aligning the vision of the company with e-commerce promotions is important so that the strategies can work together in harmony. Thank you.